Good morning to all of you. Today I will cover second part of retirement of partners, that is computation of new profit sharing ratio. New profit sharing ratio I will cover, gaining and sacrificing ratio also I will cover. So before going to discuss about this, let me tell you when it for the profit adjustment of profit sharing, when it happen. See, when a partner admits into a firm, he gets some share in the profit of the firm, which is required to share by the existing or old partners in favor of new partners. And in order to distribute or share the future profit, it is essential to calculate new profit sharing ratio for all the partners. And the share of the profit for new partner will obviously be determined by agreement, and in the absence of any specific agreement, the partner are supposed to divide the future profit and losses equally. However, some of the cases that I will discuss in this lecture. So before going to discuss these cases, let me give you one example between the sacrificing and gaining ratio. Let's take an example like if suppose you are going to order for through a Swiggy for dosa, two pieces of dosa, and at that time suddenly you and your brother is with you, and you decided to take two dosa. So suddenly you got a call from your friend that he is also coming, so he will also join. So now you decided to because already you have ordered and the Swiggy boy is about to reach to your place, so this is not possible to wait or place one more time order. So you decided that you all will distribute this dosa in three. So earlier you decided to distribute this dosa in two part, means equally you will decide one you and one your brother will take. But now your friend is also coming, so he will also join. So now you decided that all the three will share this dosa into three. So this is the case of example of admission of a partner, means when a partner is coming, so he will also share your profit. So that's why he will contribute, he will bring something like goodwill, as a goodwill or for compensation he will bring inside the business. In case of retirement of a partner, suppose you three are there, like in the evening you decided, the same day in the evening you decided to bring idli, and three-piece idli you decided to take, and you and your friend and your brother is with you. So you placed order the three idli, and the Swiggy boy is about to come, but suddenly your friend got a call from his home that he is to reach his home, so he left you. Now you decided to you can't waste this, so you decided that all these three idli you will distribute among you. So this is the case of retirement, means he is leaving you, and remaining whatever the idli with you will be, you will distribute. So this is the example of gaining. So let's come to the point that we will discuss one by one, that is what is gaining and what is sacrificing. Let's come to the part. Let's see calculation of sacrificing ratio. Sacrificing ratio is equal to old ratio minus new ratio. In this, when there is a admission of a new partner, old partners have to surrender some of their old shares in favor of the new partner. The surrender of share by old partner is made in certain ratio, and this ratio is called sacrificing ratio. It can be found out by the deducting their new share from the old share. So that's why this is the old share minus new share I have written. And thus the purpose of this ratio is to be determine the amount of compensation to be paid by the new partner to the old partner for the share of profit which they surrender to the new partner. So that's why I have written here two cases. One case number one is when new sharing of the incoming partner is given without mentioning the details of sacrifice made by the old partners, and case number two is all about the when old ratio of the old partner and the new ratio for all the partners are given. So let's see one by one, we will solve it. First, there is an example of case number one. See, this is the example. Vivo and Oppo are partners sharing profit in the ratio of 3:2. they agreed to admit Redmi as a partner for 1/5 share in the future profit. So calculate the new profit sharing ratio and sacrificing ratio. So here no new ratio is given, you have to calculate. So for calculation we need to start from the total profit, how much total profit of the firm is here. So let's assume that the total profit to be 1 rupee, and Redmi share it is given. Let me take this pointer so that I can explain you. Here it is given that 1/5 shares, so Redmi share is equal to 1/5. So for hereafter next step is to calculate remaining share, and for remaining share you have to subtract total profit minus remaining share minus new partners share. So remaining share is equal to 1 minus 1/5. 1/5 is for this guy, that Redmi. So 1/5 is equal to, if you subtract this 1/5 from 1, you will find that this is the remaining share, and this portion, this profit will be distributed by the Vivo and Oppo, means the existing partner. So let's calculate for them. Vivo's new share is equal to, this is the old share, 3/5. You can check here, 3:2 means 3/5 is the Vivo's new share, and remaining share is 4/5. Here I have written old ratio multiplied by remaining profit. So old ratio is this and remaining profit is this. So new will be 12/25 for Vivo. And for Oppo in the similar way we will do this. Oppo's new share is equal to 2/5 multiplied by 4/5. 2/5 is the old ratio, that is here it is given 2/5, and multiply by what is the remaining ratio profit is that 4/5. So 2/5 multiplied by 4/5 is equal to 8/25. So now for this is for the Redmi's new share. Redmi's new share it is already given 1/5, but for balancing, for the simple fraction, I just multiply by 5 so that I can equate this 25, 25 and 25 all denomination. So that's why I have multiplied by 5/5. So 1/5 multiplied by 5/5 is equal to 5/25, but it can be changed 1/5, the same, there is no problem, just for the equating it. So 12/25, 8/25 and 5/25, this is the new ratio of all the partner including new partner. The ratio of Vivo, Oppo and Redmi is equal to 12:8:5. Okay, how it happened? 12:8:5. Okay, see the sacrificing ratio for Vivo and Oppo is 3:2. Why, how this 3:2 came? We assume that, since, see, I have written here, since Redmi share is given without mentioning as to what he acquires from Vivo and Oppo separately, so it is supposed that Redmi takes it from the partners in the old ratio, and their old ratio is 3:2. So that's why here it will come 3:2, and Oppo is the, see, so therefore the sacrifice made by Vivo and Oppo is in the ratio of 3:2. So this was the example of case number 1. Now let's move to the case number 2. Case number 2 is all about, see, in this case Facebook and WhatsApps are partners sharing profit in the ratio of 4:2. They agreed they agreed to admit Twitter into the firm. The new profit sharing ratio among Facebook, WhatsApp and Twitter is 5:3:2, and find out the sacrificing ratio. Here the new profit sharing ratio is given, so it's, in this case it will be easy to calculate sacrificing ratio. Let's see how to calculate solution. First, for sacrificing ratio is equal to old share minus new share. Old share it is given here, and new share also it is given here. So first, sacrificing ratio of Facebook, first we will check for the sacrificing ratio of Facebook. So for Facebook ratio is equal to 4/6. 4/4 plus 2 is equal to 6. So 4/6 minus new share is equal to 5/10. 5, 3, 8 to 10. 5/10. So it is easy. You can check here. Then take LCM. It will become 60. Then you calculate, use the mathematical technique, and you will find that 10/60 will come. For sacrificing ratio of WhatsApp in the similar way, their old ratio is here 2/6 minus 3/10. Their new ratio is for WhatsApp is 3/10. So 3/10 will become, so in the after calculation you will find that 2/60. So sacrificing ratio is equal to 10:2, means 10:2, or you can also make it simple like 5:1. See, if you add this both sacrificing 10/60 plus 2/60, it will become this if you add this 2, it will become equal to the Twitter shares 2/10. How it will become? 2/10 it will become. Okay, see, now let's go to the calculation of gaining ratio. So So let me tell you one thing when this ratio need to calculate. See, this ratio is calculated when a partner retires from the firm, and in the absence of agreement after retirement of a partner, the remaining partners are assumed to continue to share profit in the ratio of which existed between them before the retirement of the partner. That is, the remaining partner gain in the old ratio, and if the new ratios of the continuing partners are given, the gaining ratio can be calculated by deducting old ratio from the new ratio. Let's see, for gaining ratio is equal to new ratio minus existing ratio, that is also you can say old ratio. See, here also there are two cases. One case is of when one partner retires and nothing is mentioned about the new ratio between the remaining partner, and second one is when the remaining partner purchased the share of retiring partner in some specific portion. So let's go to the question. See, this is the problem number 1, that is about the X, Y and Z are partners sharing profit and losses in the ratio of 4:3:3, and Z retires. Calculate the new ratio. See, you can see here that there is no other information related with the new profit sharing ratio, sacrificing ratio, or any other informations are given. So in this case, what you will do, you will assume that you will share your future profits in the ratio of old ratio, like 4:3. So that's why I have written here, since nothing is given about new ratio of remaining partners, hence X and Y will share future profit in the ratio of 4:2. This is the problem number 2, that is Nokia, Samsung and Apple are partners and sharing profit and losses in the ratio of 5:3:2 respectively. Samsung retires and Samsung shares of profit is taken up by Nokia and Apple in their profit sharing ratio. Calculate the new ratio. Solution: Samsung share of profit is equal to 3/10. I have given see, I have started solution. Samsung share of profit is equal to 3/10, from where you can check here that this is the Samsung ratio 3/10. So 3/10, this 3/10 will be distributed and will be shared by Nokia and Apple. How they will distribute? Let's see. Nokia will take out of his share is equal to 3/10. He will share in his old ratio. Old ratio is how much? 5/7. Okay, how it come 5/7? Because you will skip this one 3. After among these two you will calculate 5 plus 2 or 5:2. So 5/7 it will become for Nokia. So this ratio means also I have written here retiring partner share multiplied by old existing partner share. So old existing partner means only Nokia and Apple are existing. So you will take this ratio. So 5/7. So 3/10 multiplied by 5/7 is equal to 15/17. And the similar way you will do for Apple. Will take out of his share is equal to 3/10. This is the portion of Samsung, and multiply by Apple share. Apple share is equal to 2/7. It will come 6/70. Now see, for what you will do for next, adding this to their previous share. This is the gaining ratio, the gaining shares. So you have to add this into the old one. How you will add? Nokia is equal to 5/10. Now at this time you will take the old ratio 5/3 plus 2, 5/3 8 to 10, 5/10 plus what is the new, or what are the what they are gaining. So here 5/70 you will take 5/10 plus 15/70, which already we have calculated, and after the mathematical calculation you will find that 50/70 it will come. Here I have written that old ratio plus gaining or take out share. Take out share we have calculated, or you can say gaining. For Apple is equal to 2/10. This is the 2/10 plus 6/70. That is the take out ratio. So 6/70 is equal to 40 plus 6/70 is equal to 20/70. So this is the new ratio. You can see that the new ratio of Nokia and Apple is equal to 50:20. 50:20, or you can say 5:2. So this was the problem number 2 through the case number 2. Okay, sorry, case number 1. And now we are going to solve case number 2. You can see here Tata, Maruti and Mahindra are partners sharing profit in the ratio of 1/2, 1/3 and 1/6 respectively. Mahindra retires and his share of profit was taken up by the Tata and Maruti in the ratio of 2:1. Find out the new ratio. See the solution. Since you can see here that their ratio is not in the simple fraction. can see this 1 by 2, 1 by 3 and 1 by 6 is given. So what you will do, since the ratio is given in the fraction and it should be brought to simple figures by taking LCM. How you will do? 1 by 2, 1 by 3 and 1 by 6. When you will take LCM, it will come 6, and you can calculate like that. 2 divided 2, you will divide 6 by 2, it will come 3. So 3 1 3 plus 2 plus 1, you will find 3 is to 2 is to 1. Accordingly, the old ratio of Tata, Maruti and Mahindra is 3 is to 2 is to 1. Now what you have to do, Mahindra's share you have to find. Already it is given 1 by 6 is here. Mahindra's share is equal to 1 by 6. So this Mahindra is going to retire. So this portion will be distributed among Tata and Maruti. How they will do? Let's see. On Mahindra's retirement, his share will be divided between Tata and Maruti in the ratio of 2 is to 1. Here it is given in the question here. See, Mahindra retired and his share of profit was taken up by Tata and Maruti in the ratio of 2 is to 1. 2 is to 1 means 2 by 3 and 1 by 3. See, Tata is equal to, Tata will take 1 by 6, this is the portion of Mahindra, and in which ratio? 2 by 3. Already I have told you 2 by 3. So 2 by 3, so it will become 2 by 18. Then Maruti, this is the Mahindra portion, and this will this 1 by 3 is the Maruti share. So it will come 1 by 18. See, now you can see here that Tata's new share. How you will calculate? Old plus gaining. Old you can check here. For Tata 1 by 2 is here. So old plus gaining it is given. Sorry, here it is given. For Tata 3 by 6 means 1 by 3 it will come. 3 by 6 I have taken here, so there is no issue. You can also take, or 1 by 6 it will come. 1 by 2. Tata's new share is equal to 3 by 6 plus 2 by 18. Then 18 you will take LCM and it will come 9 plus 2 is equal to 11 by 18. This is the old plus gaining. You can do old plus gaining. Maruti's new share is equal to 2 by 6 plus 1 by 18. 1 by 18 is this you have calculated. In the same way you have to do is equal to 6 plus 1 upon 18 is equal to 7 by 18. Now hence the new ratio of Tata and Maruti is 11 is to 7. 11 and is to 7. You can check here. I hope your concept got clear with this video, and you can understand, you can able to solve the question of how to calculate sacrificing ratio, gaining ratio, or how to calculate new profit sharing ratio through all the cases. So you just try at your home with the remaining similar types of question. If you have any problem, just comment us and comment in the below to this video, and hopefully I will reply and I will solve your question. I will get back to you. Thank you so much for watching my video.